Well, at least at our Walmart, you have a view. Okay, so we have successfully managed Walmart. Did I get the right things? I have no idea. But hey, I did get a tripod so we can try the camera out, and it will also fit my smartphone. So we're just punting at this point. So one of the things I really hope to do is inspire more women to get out there, do some overlanding, camping, whatever you can get into to get outside and explore and know that you can do it by yourself. So, you know, I'm doing a shout out, I'm doing a challenge, whatever it'll take. All right, women, let's get out there and do some stuff. And for me, you're gonna see this gray hair eventually. Anyway, I'm not a spring chicken, but I don't care. We're gonna start doing it more. I've done it most of my life, but I know some of you haven't. So I'm throwing it out there. Like, let's get out and do some adventures. So before we go run amok today, I thought I'd stop in at a new friend's and let's look and see what they're up to. Hey!
Hi!
Say hi. Okay, we have left my friends, and since it's sunny out, I say we go find a spot out in the woods and check it out. Let's go! Today, I think we're gonna head south. See those mountains over there? Let's go get on top of that. Okay, so we are cruising through the big town of Murphy. Don't blink, you might miss it. I don't even think there's 6 buildings here, but it is what it is. It's a cute little place. Alright. So this is where we hang our sharp right. And we are going to be heading to Spencer Mountain. So let's get there. So this is a short little jaunt south of Grants Pass. Again, I believe this is a BLM road, but we should be able to see that sign in just a minute. This is our turn. So yes, it's BLM land. Okay, I wanted to stop at our first little landing, give you a look. Back in there is towards the valley and town of Grants Pass. Okay, at the next big intersection, we're gonna stay left. Gets a little rough in here, so just take your time. So with the recent rains, I don't know if you can see it, but there's these little creeks running everywhere along the route. So you can see there's obviously been wind damage up here as well. So the next intersection that we're about to come to, we're gonna stay left. Like somebody's been nice enough to come up and clear the road, or at least push some of these trees off the main drag. Oh, looks like we got a little bit of snow on the side of the road. I know I'm in a t-shirt right now, but I'm about to stop and put my sweatshirt back on. You get on these northern slopes and the sun's not hitting it, it gets pretty chilly. There's some more snow. Now we have climbed in elevation quite a bit. I don't have an altimeter with me, so I cannot tell you how many feet we've gone up, but it's a pretty good height. So here's a major junction that you come to. We call it the gravel pit. If you go to the right, that road, and stay right, it will actually take you all the way to Selma, Oregon. If we kept going forward and down this road, we could end up out towards Williams. But for this little section, we're gonna run up on top, which is hanging in left at the gravel pit. I just saw something. Let's go check it out. I'm not sure where it went. Here's a little guy sunning himself. Some beautiful colors. All right, let's go up. It's not too bad up in here. You know, just run over the top of your ruts. The view is much worth it. Alright, let's find a place to park. If I had my gear with me, I'd much rather be camping. Boy, I tell you what, the view from up here is amazing. Actually, I think I'm going to turn my camera around so that I can see what you're seeing, so we make sure we got this right. Okay, got everything turned around. So, I wanted to show you. So, this is looking west. Let's see if I can do that right. Out there, looking west. Now, let's take a little bit of a walk. So that's looking more north. This is eye-hand coordination, right? Anyway, let's take a look over here on this side. Yeah, God, I wish I had my gear, because I would literally like just be popping the tent up right here or getting my vehicle set up and spending the night, because you cannot beat this view. Although I do know that most of the time it is super rainy or wet and windy up here. So right now it's very calm, it's still, just perfect time. So I'm hoping that you can see out here, out to the west. All right, let's walk around a little bit more. There's literally like almost a 360 panoramic here. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pure silence and it's wonderful. All right, let's see if I can get you any better of a view. Oh, I can hear the bees out. Last time I was up here, it was actually during hunting season, and we ended up chasing a little jackrabbit around here. He was pretty funny to watch. All right, there's some snow. I don't think we're gonna obviously take off to go get into it today. I gotta get a little bit more prepared so that when we do these excursions, I want to make sure that I don't have to fill up more than once or twice, and I'm ready to go when we get here. So again, oh, you can see, I may have to, let me turn this camera around so I can zoom in for you. All right, way over there, that is Mount McLaughlin. So that's looking east. Mount McLaughlin is, I believe, 9,633 some odd feet. And so I can try and let you see some of these other mountains. I apologize because this glare from this gorgeous sunlight right now is probably making it hard to see. All right, so awesome spot. Come up, have some lunch, stay overnight. You may or may not get to see some critters. This is where I do a lot of my hunting, so I've actually harvested quite a few deer up here. But yeah, just a great place. I have one other place we're gonna see if we can get to. It's not very far from here, but it used to be, I believe, an old mining claim, and there used to be an old shack there, but I believe it fell and or was taken down last year or maybe the year before. So let's do that. Let's take one more little jump. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, back down to the gravel pit, then we're gonna go back down to the right, which is where we came in at, and backtrack to the last road that we passed. And let's see if we can get up there. So on any normal day, I'd go stick my head underneath that. But since we're right next to some snow, I am sure that that is fairly cold water. Had to stop because there's another one. Okay, we're back to that, which would now be a hard right, and we are going to go left down this. Let's see if we can go see if any of that cabin is standing. Okay? Oh, I gotta tell you. I gotta show you this one first. You gotta love spring. Alright. Check these out. Let me see if I can get a better view. That's awesome. Alright, we may have to stop and get some still photos of that. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Alright, let's see how this road gets. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Oh, check this out. Look at that. Now I know this video is just not going to do it justice. I'll try and take some stills and maybe we can get a better look at it. So I can already tell you that because the sunlight is hitting us, that you cannot see how high up that goes. Ah, takes my breath away. All right, let's carry on. This has turned out to be a beautiful day. Now, supposedly by this evening and or tomorrow, we are going to have some rain and possibly some more snow come in. So hopefully we can get a good look up in here and we'll see. Made it past those. I do have a saw in my rig, not a chainsaw, but I do have some hand saws, so if I had to, I could cut some stuff out. I highly recommend always having some gear just in case you need it. And I'm just a person that carries gear with me all of the time. Oh, I don't know, we got some more snow. Now, I do not have my tires aired down or anything, so we've got quite the bumpy ride. we are on the north slope, so that's why we're still seeing some snow alongside this road. It just does not get a lot of sun. Low bridge, Oregon pinstriping. Sorry about that. Some more snow. We need the snow so bad. Spinny spin. All right, scene one, take two. Awesome possum. We'll just fix this problem. All right. Low bridge. Excuse me, little tree. Well, it looks like somebody did make it through here, but I have a way smaller wheelbase. All right, let me go check it out. All right, so yes, I can make headway through here, but the problem is, like Jason from Primal Outdoors says, the snow is melting, and so it's just a bunch of slush. So the minute you get into it, you just sink. So unfortunately, I think for us, I'm gonna not risk it for the biscuit today, and we'll get turned around. Maybe we'll go look back at that waterfall a little bit. All right, let's go. Okay, so we've gotten turned around. We're gonna head back down. We'll make one more quick stop at the waterfall, and then we'll probably head back down towards town. All right. Okay, we've made it back to this first big waterfall. Maybe I'll see if I can go hike around and get us some good photos. Okay, so for one, you cannot beat that scenery or the sound. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video at this point and jet on out of here. Hopefully a little bit more springtime, we'll be able to come up in here and get all the way to that cabin. All right, come and have outdoor adventures with me. Thank you.